Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Have you ever tried making stuffed leeks? After trying it once, you will make it again and you will want to taste it again, you can be sure. Let's see the necessary materials first. 2 leeks, but it doesn't have to be this thick. Mince. 1 bowl of rice and 1 spoon of bulgur. 1 lemon and half a glass of water. Salt and spices. Black pepper. Dry mint. Vegetable spice, cumin, paprika powder. Dill. Parsley. 2 garlic, salt and some sugar. 1 spoon of tomato paste and 1 spoon of pepper paste. It will be enough to use 2 onions. Olive oil. Also pomegranate syrup and sour sumac spice. First add half a glass of water to the rice and bulgur. Add ground beef to mixing bowl. Crush the garlic, you can crush it more easily by adding some salt. Add salt and sugar. Add crushed garlic. Add the spices. Finally chop the dill and parsley and add tomato paste and pepper paste. Add olive oil and mix. Add rice and bulgur. Finely chop the onions. Add butter to the pan and fry the chopped onions. It is ready after adding the mixture to the pan and warming it up a bit. Cut off the ends of the leeks. Cut the leek to size here. You can get this measurement when you put 8 fingers side by side. Cut the leeks in the middle. You can also use green leaves. Wash the leeks. Add water to the pot and boil it. Prepare ice-cold water. Add the leeks to the boiling water. Take it out after 1 to 2 minutes and add it to the ice water. You can take it out of cold water and put it upright for the water to drain. Place the leek leaves on the counter. Since it will be made in a single bite small form, divide the large leaves into two. If you want to make big triangles, don't cut them in the middle. Add 1 teaspoon of stuffing. Fold diagonally and prepare triangular. Cut off the excess parts. Since the green leaves are thick, cut them in half so they will be thinner. You can sprinkle some salt and pepper. Add material and fold in the same way. If you want to make bigger triangle, do it like this. Chop the carrot and add to the bottom of the pot. Add the remaining leek pieces. Add tomato paste and pomegranate syrup. Sumac. Half a glass of water. Add juice of 1 lemon and mix. Add the mixture to the pot. Add some more water. Place the triangular leeks in the pot. Add some olive oil. Add the pot to the stove and set the fire a little low. Cook for 1 hour on low heat. Check the condition of the food after 1 hour, cook a little more if necessary. Grate 1 tomato. Heat the butter and add the grated tomato. Add some salt. Add tomato sauce. Wait a while for the dish to brew in the pot and serve after 15 minutes. You can serve it with strained yogurt. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.